Hello everyone, welcome to Ganit Gurukul and this is Yogesh Garg. So in this video, we are going to discuss JEE Advanced, that is IIT-JEE 2008 Paper 1 question number 7. And this question is based on properties of triangle, right? So what we have, a straight line, through vertex P of the triangle PQR intersects the side QR at the point S and the circumcircle of triangle PQR at point T. If S is not the center of the circumcircle, then which of the following is or are correct? So this is more than one choice correct question, and clearly between A and B one must be true, and between C and D one must be true. This is the case. Right now, how to proceed with this question? See, first of all, what matters in any question of geometry, the properties of triangle, we should make a figure, right? And is there any relevance of this question with respect to mains examination? I would say less relevance, because properties of triangle question are rarely asked, and if they are asked, they are usually from heights and distances, that is class 10 application of trigonometry, or if they are asked, then they are from sine rule, cosine rule at max. Circumcenter, they are not being asked that much. But even then, why I am discussing this question, it it is a little bit, I would say, it involves a concept of class 10 alternate segments, and I will discuss this. You will get it why I am discussing this question. A straight line through vertex P of the triangle. So we have to make a triangle inside this. So let us make a triangle inside this. Right, it's fine, right? So this is a triangle, and it is inside this. Let us say this is triangle PQR. So what is being told in question? A straight line through vertex P of the triangle PQR intersects the side QR at point S and circumcircle at point T. So let us draw a line through this point P. And it intersects QR at S and circumcircle at point T. So let us say this is point S and this is point T. Now it is said that S is not the center of the circumcircle. So it is clearly mentioned that S is not the circumcenter. Now how to look for this? QS into SR. What is the utility of QR with respect to 1 by PS and 1 by ST? How should we proceed in this question? See, one thing we clearly know, PT and QR, they are the two chords of the circle, right? And PS into ST will be equal to QS into SR. Now, how this is true? How can this be true? See, this is the theorem, this is the property. If you join RT, you can clearly see. If you join RT, you can clearly see that these two triangles will be similar. How? QT arc is subtending angle P. Let us say this is theta, and the same QT arc is subtending angle this QRT as well. So this is also theta. Similarly, this is phi. This is also phi. Clearly, these two triangles are similar, and then you can proceed ahead to prove this thing. PS into ST is equal to QS into SR. Now, again, what is the utility of this? See, what we can say, if you know this property, that arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric mean is greater than equal to harmonic mean. Now, why I am using this? See, we know that geometric mean of PS and ST, it will be PS into ST root, isn't it? It will be. It is greater than equal to HM. Now HM, what is the HM of PS and ST? It will be 2 PS into ST upon PS plus ST. I hope you must be remembering this, right? Harmonic mean, it will be PS into ST. It is greater than equal to 2 PS into ST upon PS plus ST. This is the result. Now what we can do with this result? How to proceed ahead, right? How to proceed ahead and how to use this thing. It is clear. If you see this question, it is clear. Just break this. PS into also write PS into STS, QS into SR. Write this QS into SR. So root of this right? It is greater than equal to 2, and what you do, what is better to do reciprocal over here, right? Because this is also in reciprocal, this is also in reciprocal. Do the reciprocal, right? Do the reciprocal of whole expression. This is 2ps into st upon ps plus st. Do reciprocal. By when you will do reciprocal, sign will reverse itself, so it will be 1 by root of qs into sr, and this is less than equal to 2 will come in denominator. The expression will become 1 by 2 into ps plus st upon ps into st. I hope ahead of this you can move forward, and this 2 can be shifted on the left hand side. So 2 by root qs into sr is less than equal to 1 by st plus 1 by ps is less than equal to, right? So again remember, this is 2, if you shift 2 over here, 2 by root qs into sr is less than equal to ps 1 by ps plus 1 by st. So this is greater, so this should be greater, right? Now why they have not used this equal sign? Are we wrong or they wrong? See, equality will exist only when ps is equal to st, and it will not be the case. Think why? ps and st will not be equal. It may be the case that you will think in exam, oh, they have not given equal sign over here, so maybe I am wrong. No, you are not wrong. See, ps is equal to st is not true, because s is not the center of circumcircle, right? So they have used this point to confuse a student, because whenever there is equal to sign over here, you can think for AMGM, but they have deliberately keep this question as s is not a center of the circumcircle, right? Okay. Now what we can do? What do we have to do? Now we have to think that whether this expression is less than 4 by QR or greater than 4 by QR. Now how to proceed ahead? How to relate this with QR? Now we have to do reverse engineering. Reverse engineering, what does it mean? See, we know that QS into SR, root of QS into SR will certainly be less than equal to QS plus SR. And now we should use this not equal, we should not use equal to sign. Again the same logic, QS and SR, they should not be equal unless that S will become circumcenter. Now QS plus SR by 2, fine. So it means 1 by root QS into SR, this is greater than 2 by, again sign changes and the reciprocal, 2 by QS plus SR. Now QS plus SR is QR, so this is 2 by QR. Replace it over here, right? Now you see this is greater than 2 by QR, so 2 by QR will be less than this 1 by root QS into SR. So this will be the total inequality. 2 by QR is less than 1 by root QS into SR, which is in turn less than, again not less than equal to, less than half, and simplify this, it is 1 by ST plus 1 by PS. Our job is done over here. 1 by ST plus 1 by PS. Shift 2 over on the other side. So this is 4 by QR is less than 1 by ST plus 1 by PS. So 4 by QR is also less than this. So this is not the correct, this is the correct option. Now again, what is the utility of discussing this question? Can this sort of question appear? Means now you will be thinking that I am just making some statement for the sake of making it, but I am not doing that. I would say that this question can appear, or the idea of this question, the point of doing this question will be helpful in mains examination. Why? This AM, GM, HM inequality, 1. Second, this particular point, PS into ST is equal to QS into SR. Now you will thinking, what is the utility of this? This is the class 10 concept, similarity concept. So what? Can class 10 concept not, does class 10 concept cannot come in mains examination? Is this a rule? Is there any rule like that? There is no such rule, right? So you can expect not direct question, but they can frame it. But yes, because this concept, it is a part of properties of triangle which is rarely asked. That's why I would say that there is a less probability of this question appearing, or any question reframing over this has a less probability in exam. But we cannot just deny the possibility of this question. Also, there will be some students, because I will be keeping the title as such, of there will be students of class 10th who are watching this video. So how can this question help, or how can this question be useful to them as well? See, for the AM-GM inequality, you can say that you have not studied it yet, but this particular rule, PS into ST is equal to QS into SR, this is important for you as well, for different examinations, NTSC, Olympiads, right? So you can say this question it is helpful for Olympiads as well, right? I will say that this question is helpful for KBPY, right, and NTSC stage 2 and Olympiads. Fine. So I hope this video was clear to each and every one of you. For more content, do subscribe the channel, do like the videos, right, and stay tuned, keep watching other people. In case you have any doubts, inquiry, do comment in the chat.